Namaste students. दूसरा वीडियो आई जेविन डॉक्टर नारायण सिंह सेगौत असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ शल्य तंत्र फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. In previous class we discussed about carbuncle. In today's class we will discuss about scope and importance of शल्य तंत्र. What is the scope in शल्य तंत्र and what is the importance of शल्य तंत्र? Okay students. Preface. The Susamhita is the representative treatise of the Indian School of Surgery. Susutacharya is regarded as the father of anatomy and surgery. Shalatantra is meant for extraction of foreign bodies, description of instrument, caustic alkali cauterization, and also for diagnosing and deciding of wounds with complete management, including plastic and reconstructive surgery. Remarkable contributions. Concept of microsurgery in Ayurveda, guidelines to improve not only of care of surgical cases but also surgeons' attitude towards surgery as well. Importance of psychological, physiological aspect of the care of surgical patients. Cosmetic aspect in plastic and reconstructive surgery in Ayurveda. Non-operative or minimal invasive method of management of surgical patients. Professional and academic ethics and ethics during preoperative periods, experimental surgery, and emergency surgery. Divisions of Ayurvedic Salyatantra. Minimally invasive surgical method, that is Sharkam, Agnikam, Raktamokshan. Moderately invasive surgical method, that is use of Anusastra and Upyantra. Sharp instrumental surgical method for tumors, vesicles, calculus, hemorrhoids, multiple tract fistula, perforations, intestinal obstructions. Alternative method for surgery, that is uses of Jaloka, Krimi, Megatherapy, Sharkaram also. Non-invasive surgical method, that is use of Panyukshar. Special and silent features of Ayurvedic Salyatantra. The detailed management of ulcer by 60 procedure covering all aspects from the point of its occurrence to its total healing with cosmetic viewpoint. Apply aspect of plastic surgery, war surgery, and merm science. Principle of management of fracture, reduction, immobilization, restoration of the normal functions. Concept of Sharsutra and management of fistula in ano. Due to importance to the structural composition of the human body and drug as a dosa, instruments and applied anesthesia for surgery. Practical training means yoga abhyas, operative procedures and parasurgical measures. Plastic and reconstructive surgery. Pathology of disease process is called Satkriyakal. Reasons for decline of surgery in Ayurveda. Absence of adequate anesthesia, absence of adequate antiseptics, absence of adequate antibiotics medicines, lack of proper anatomical practical knowledge, that is dissection, yogyabhyas, vein puncture, etc. Inadequate description and addition of advanced technology methods. Branded as Asuri Chikitsa and greater emphasis on medications because of orthodox beliefs. Spread of Buddhism and Jainism. Lack of royal patronage and encouragement to other system of medicines. Meticulous destruction of system by repeated foreign invasions. So students, as you can see, these are the preface of the Salatans, then remarkable contributions in Salatant and division of Ayurvedic Salatans, Then very important special and silent features of Salyatantra. Reasons for decline of surgery in Ayurveda. This is very important. Step required to support the growth of Salyatantra. We will discuss now. We will discuss step required to support the growth of शल्यतंत्र. शल्यतंत्र के उन्नति के लिए अपन क्या कर सकते हैं? Supply of good supportive technology including analgesic, anesthetic medicines, preliminary support with antiseptics and antibiotics. Because resistance of human beings is too much, decline in the century. Training and use of sterilization, surgical and operative methods, anesthesia also. Practical training at super specialist centers, very important. Use of advanced equipment, instruments and techniques. Propagation of unique Ayurvedic procedures like Agni, Karm, Ksharkam, etc. Practical knowledge of location, demonstration and applied aspect of mark in surgery. Confidence and self-respect very important. So students, these are the whole contents about Salyatantra. This session is powered by Digital Session 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any doubts and queries, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you, students.